how do you access external hard drive on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you do not miss anything important. First of all, make sure that you set up the connection. So of course, the external hard drive has to be connected through a cable. My iPad has the USB-C as well as the connector. I mean, it might be the SD card or USB stick, whatever. It all works the same way. You have to connect it through the port of the iPad, perhaps wait a bit for it to get recognized, but in order to start browsing the files, you have to open up the Files app on the iPad. So you go like this, you find that icon on your device, and you'll be able to see like some files right away. But make sure for the left panel to slide out and go to the locations. So there are locations like your local storage on my iPad or the iCloud, but one of those locations should most definitely be the external drive as well. So just try to look for it in here, perhaps see it in there. You can click on it and you'll be able to start browsing the files which are stored on the external drive, right? So you can of course play the videos, sounds, whatever, move the files to your local storage, or perhaps copy something from the local to the external drive. So it's up to you. This works like a regular files manager for the iPad. So let me know if you managed to make it work. If you do not see your device being recognized, try to disconnect it and reconnect it again. Perhaps it will help you out. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if it works and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot and I'll talk to you later.